Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your gents sweater, lady sweater, baby sweater, and this is the look of this pattern. This is the pattern I have done with this border. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. Before you start the repeat, first you will need to knit two base rows and then you will start the repeat. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, first you will need to knit 2 base rows and then you will start the repeat. So this is the first base row. This pattern starts from the wrong side. So first base row wrong side, purl all stitches. Because this is wrong side, so purl your edge stitch first and then purl all stitches. This is first base row. Edge stitch, purl. Second base row right side, this is the right side. Second base row right side, purl all stitches. Edge stitch, knit, slip, knit twice and then purl all stitches. This is the right side. Edge stitch, knit on the right side. So we have done 2 base rows here. And now start the repeat from here. So for row 1 wrong side, this pattern starts from the wrong side. So row 1 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 2 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 right side, knit all stitches. Row 3 wrong side, purl all stitches. Now row 4 right side, we're gonna make these patterns. these patterns. So row 4 right side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. And in front, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, leave this yarn in front, and now I'm gonna go this pattern, insert this right hand needle like so, and we're gonna go from back like so. See, 1 2 3 4, we're gonna go like this and then purl like this and then drop this stitch. That's the repeat. Purl 3 and this stitch. Again repeat that again. We have 2 more repeats. Purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, leave this one in front, and this stitch go through this stitch, and from the back purl, take this yarn to the back like so, and here, right here, and leave this loop. Again one more repeat. Purl 3, 1 2 3, leave this one in front and go through this stitch, and from the back, from this stitch, see we have this purl bump here. See, from here take this yarn to the back, like so. So we have done 3 repeats, 1 2 3, and last 4 stitch, 3 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Purl 3, 1 2 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 5 wrong side, row 5 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 6 right side, row 6 right side, knit all stitches. Row 7 wrong side, purl all stitches. Now row 8 last row, row 8 right side, your edge stitch, slip. Before you start the repeat, first purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, this stitch we're gonna go through this stitch, and from the back, from this stitch you're gonna take this yarn back and come up like this, and then purl 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here, this stitch and purl 3. Again yarn in front, go through this stitch and like so. Again purl 3, 1 2 3, go through this stitch and purl 3, 1 2 3, and 3 stitch, last 3 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. This is one repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8. You're going to skip your these first 2 base rows. You're going to skip these 2 base rows and then start from row 1 and end with your row 8. Repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.